Hey, so this is my process video. This first section is, I guess, the learning part. So I just have a clip of, I think this is my first icon, and just the process of me trying to figure out how to make the figures, how to make all the elements and stuff like that. I kind of started out with freehanding it, and then I moved to using shapes, but I think I kind of ended up mixing a little bit of both in the end for my finished products. I definitely still have a lot to learn with this. There are things that I definitely could have done to make it easier on myself, such as using layers, and you'll see that later. This is my second clip. This is when I kind of streamlined my process a little bit more, and I kind of knew what I was doing to an extent, I guess. So yeah, this part went a little bit faster. Here's the coloring stage. All the other icons kind of went through the same process, so I just jumped to coloring. This is where I think I should have used a lot more layers, because I kind of forgot to, because I was focused on the outlines. So a lot of the coloring didn't fill in the whole shape because it wasn't closed off or stuff like that. So I definitely have to remember to use layers and keep things as full shapes, so it'll make this whole process easier. But the more I did, the more I was able to fix it up and stuff like that. Here I have a dog that I decided to add. I thought he was cute, gave the guy some personality. But yeah, as far as colors, I just basically decided just choose a set that I liked and then just repeat them throughout all the other icons so that they look cohesive towards the end, like when you look at them as a whole. Sorry. But yeah, I do like adding color to my artworks because I just think they just look more fun that way for me. But yeah, just finishing up the dog here. Added a cute little eyeball, made him a little derpy. Yeah. So the next part is finishing touches. So this is after I basically did all the coloring already. I kind of got into the zone and just did all of them all in one sitting. So this is, I think, me doing the pattern. Yeah, doing the pattern. I didn't have too much issues with this. I think I just had to readjust the grid a few times because there was some weird spacing between some of them, so I had to adjust that. But other than that, this part wasn't too bad. It was pretty fun to see what it looks like all together. And yeah, so this project, definitely I have a lot more to learn, and I still had really fun doing this.